Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Sublime Text on a Chromebook in 2025. The first thing you want to do is have your Linux development environment installed. As you can see, I do here because we have the terminal popped up already. I'm going to leave a link to that. It'll be a card above. I have a video on that, on how to do that in 2025. Once you have that done, let's open up a browser here, and we're just going to search for Sublime Text. And you want to go to the website sublimetext.com. Up here, you're going to click download, and you want to look here for the Linux repos and go to direct downloads. And this is Debian Linux that's installed, so I'm going to pick the .deb file. Okay, that's going to download, and I can click show in folder, and then I can right click and install with Linux. It's going to go out and get some information. I'm going to click install. And then OK, and I'll just wait a minute. I'll let it run in real time just to show you how long it takes. Okay, so now it's installed. I'm going to click launch. And I'll take a moment to write some .dot files the first time that it installs. I like to pin it to the taskbar, but here we go. We've got Sublime Text installed on a Chromebook in 2025. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.